How to change Outlook password. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can change the Outlook password, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to change your Outlook password, all you have to do is open your browser, because we won't be able to do it with the Outlook app. Open up your browser, go to outlook.live.com, sign into your Outlook mail account. Once you've done that, tap the profile icon from the top right hand side, then go to this option known as My Microsoft Account. Because Outlook account comes from Microsoft account, changing your Outlook password means changing your Microsoft account password. Now once you're on this page, you're going to be able to see this type of interface, where what you need to do is just scroll until you get to this option known as security, and then just tap on it. When you tap on security, you'll find this option called change password. Tap on the change password option. All you have to do is simply make sure to enter your current password in order to go ahead and then verify it that the person trying to change the password is the owner himself. Enter the current password, re-enter the new password, and then re-tap them again. Tap on save, and your Outlook password will be successfully saved. This way you can change the Outlook password. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.